Are you stuck deciding between OnlyOffice and WPS Office? Let's break it down. In today's video, we'll compare these two office suites. Both are popular choices for creating documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, but they have some key differences. OnlyOffice is known for its strong collaboration features. It allows multiple users to work on the same document at the same time. This makes it great for teams. It also offers cloud storage, making it easy to access your files from anywhere. On the other hand, WPS Office is all about being user friendly. It has a familiar interface that many people find easy to navigate. WPS Office also includes a PDF editor, which is a big plus for users who often work with PDF files. Now, let's talk about the differences. OnlyOffice focuses more on teamwork and collaboration. WPS Office, however, is designed for individual users who want a simple and efficient tool. When it comes to features, OnlyOffice has advanced tools for project management and document sharing. WPS Office shines with its built-in templates and design tools that help you create visually appealing documents quickly. In terms of pricing, OnlyOffice offers a free version with basic features, while its premium plans are aimed at businesses. WPS Office also has a free version, but its premium features are designed for users who want extra tools without breaking the bank. So, which one should you choose? If you work in a team and need collaboration tools, go for OnlyOffice. If you prefer a straightforward experience with easy to use features, WPS Office is your best bet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this.